In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove PayPal from your Shopify checkout in just 5 minutes. Whether you're making adjustments to your payment options or looking to streamline the checkout process, this guide will walk you through the steps with clarity and ease. To begin, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Shopify website and enter your credentials. Once you've accessed your account dashboard, we'll be ready to dive into making the necessary changes. Now that you're logged in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen to find the settings option. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page where you can modify various aspects of your store. The Shopify settings menu can be an incredibly powerful tool, so it's worth taking a moment to familiarize yourself with the other options available for future reference. From the settings menu, you'll want to click on Payments. This will open up a page where you can manage all your payment methods. Since we're specifically targeting PayPal today, pay close attention as we navigate through the next steps. On the Payments page, locate PayPal in the list of payment providers and click on it. This section is dedicated to managing how your store interacts with PayPal, allowing you the control you need over which payment methods your customers can use. As an online store owner, having this sort of flexibility is crucial for optimizing your checkout process. Once you've clicked into PayPal, look for the button labeled Deactivate. By clicking this, you will initiate the process to remove PayPal as a payment option from your checkout page. It's important to note that deactivating PayPal does not close your account with them, but simply removes the option for customers shopping at your store. After clicking deactivate, you might receive a prompt asking for confirmation. This is Shopify's way of double checking that you really want to proceed with this change. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm your action. This step is a safety measure to prevent accidental changes and ensure you're fully in control of the modifications being made. And there you have it, you've successfully removed PayPal from your Shopify checkout. Taking control of the payment methods offered on your store can help tailor the shopping experience to best suit your business needs. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you decide to reactivate PayPal or make further adjustments to your payment options. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and I hope it helped simplify the process for you. If you have any questions or need further guidance,